Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I'm back again after 5 days. Yes, as I said that I had some work in my native place, so I'm back from my native place. So let's get back to the market. So dollar extends gains after US PCE data. As we all know, dollar is extremely bullish for the last couple of days. So let's have a look at a chart of DXY first. So DXY right now standing at or closed at 105.26. And in my previous video, I remember that I mentioned one thing very clearly, that if dollar is bullish, then dollar will be heading towards 105.50, 105.50. So on Monday or Tuesday, there's a high chance that market will be hitting or heading towards the next level of 105.50. My dear friends, keep in mind, for a trend reversal, for a trend reversal on any chart of the world, we need a fundamental factor, we need a news. So in case dollar starts coming down also after the market opening on Monday, that does not signify a trend reversal. It will just be a part of correction, so that it can go up again, because no market in the gold go up in a straight line like this, or even fall also in a straight line like this. Market always move in a zigzag pattern because of liquidity. So as a result, if market or DXY comes down also like this, it will just be a part of the correction so that it can move higher. But the next target is the same, 105.50. Is this the ultimate resistance for DXY? No, this is just the next stoppage for DXY. And because you can clearly see on the chart that this is just a normal or minor resistance, not a level which can reverse the trend of the market. Is the daily chart of DXY, and on the daily chart also you can clearly see that apart from this level, we do not have any other strong resistance. So if market crosses this level, and if the sentiment remains the same, then obviously market will cross this level, then obviously we will see further upside on the chart of DXY or US dollar currency index. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. But before I proceed with the chart, I would like to show you the Forex sentiment meter. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that only 26% retail traders have taken sell position and 73% retail traders are still holding their buy positions. And the average buy position is 1844, and right now gold is standing at 1810. 1844, 1810. Just look at the difference. Why this is happening? Because when the trend of the market reverse, people have not exited from their buy positions. My dear friend, if you're still holding your buy position in this market, then it's better to exit, because there's a high chance that the sell on gold will continue for the next few days. Okay, so gold closed at 1810 level. This is the last traded price of gold. So on Monday, there's a high chance that the trend of the market will remain the same. And especially in this type of market, when you see that the market is going down like this, then your strategy is basically very simple. The strategy is sell on rise, because the market structure is like this. So obviously you will get the best price at the resistance when market reverses from the resistance. If I take you to the daily chart of gold, you can see that on the daily chart, market crossed this level here, and right now we do not have any immediate support on the chart of gold. If I take you to the monthly chart also, usually I do not look at a monthly chart, but today I somehow observed the monthly chart and I saw a big bearish engulfing kind of a pattern on the monthly chart as well. So overall the sentiment is not very positive for gold right now. Okay, so as a result, what should be a strategy? The strategy is sell on rise. So after market opening, if you see market going up, instead of taking a buy position, just wait for the market to reverse from the resistance so that you can take a trade, being on the safer side. Okay, so if market goes up on Monday, wait for the market to hit the level of 1819 to 18 23. This is the resistance zone on the chart of gold. Once market will enter inside the resistance zone, okay, so you need to be careful. Okay, just observe the market. Once you'll see that price is struggling around 1819, 1820 level, okay, just switch to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and just see how the market is reacting, how the market is doing, because 4 hours chart will be very, very slow for you. If you see that market is showing price rejection from above, if you see prices, market is showing a bearish engulfing kind of a pattern, shooting star pattern on the 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame, you will get the confirmation that the previous support is right now acting as the new resistance, and you can take a sell position. Okay, so 1819 to 1823 is the resistance level for you. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. And if you see market crossing this level, still try to avoid any buy position and wait for the market to hit the next level of 1826 to 1827. This is another resistance zone for you. Okay, so 1819 to 1823 level is the first zone. If market reverses, hit on the sell button with proper risk management. And the second is 1826 to 1827 if this level fails somehow. Okay, and after the market opening, if you see market going down, or crossing 1810 level, you can take a sell position below 1810 also. But yes, it can be a little bit risky, because what is the market structure? Try to understand my point here. What is the market structure? Market structure is like this. So if you take a sell position here, then obviously market will be going down a little, but market will be going up again, because market cannot go down in a straight line like this. So if yes, you can go for this structure. That's your personal choice, personal opinion. But personally, I'll suggest everyone to take a sell at high. Okay, when market will be reversing from this, that is a safer trading opportunity instead of taking a sell at breakdown. If you want to take a sell at breakdown, that's your personal choice. But yes, overall the sentiment is bearish, so I think that market will be going down. So secondly, where is the support of the market? As I have already mentioned in my previous videos, that if you are a lover of gold, if you have been trading on the chart of gold for the last 1 year, 2 years, then you have been witness the important level of 1790. Do you remember the 1790 level? The 1790 level is coming again. And to be precise, the level is 1788. Okay, to be precise, level is around 1788 to 1785. This is the next immediate support on gold. If the same sentiment remains in the market, if the market remains bearish like this, then obviously market will hit 1788-85 very soon. If market bounces, you can expect a bounce of 50, 70, 80 pips, but it cannot reverse the trend of the market. Okay, why I'm talking about the support? Because when market will come and bounce from the support, you can take a buy position at support, because this support was very significant. Okay, and still it plays a very important role in the chart of gold. You can take a buy position at the support, but when market will be coming down again, okay, you should avoid taking a buy, because market will be breaking 1788 to 85 next time. But as of now, 1788.90, this particular level here, okay, is the next important support on the chart of gold. So if market comes and bounces, we can definitely look for buy position. But in this chart of gold, considering the present trend of the market and overall sentiment of the market, okay, it is better to be on the sell side. Already I have shown you the Forex sentiment meter, where you can clearly see that most of the retail traders, 73% retail traders, are at a loss of 3,400 pips, which is not a matter of joke. So as a result, try to be on the sell side. In this type of market, as I always say, it's safer to take a sell position at resistance, and I have already mentioned the resistance levels. If you want to see, if you want to take a trade at breakdown, okay, because let's assume that if market doesn't go up after the opening and starts falling further, you can take a sell position, but you need to be very, very careful, because the market structure is like this. Okay, so whatever I do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you. So my dear friends, if you're looking for signals, please watch the next part of the video. Bye bye, take care. Before we proceed further, I would like to mention about Chart Prime, who has sponsored the today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, you can also use these tools in your analysis for additional confirmation. They also have a trading community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. Trust me guys, I have been using Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service is really awesome. If you really want to know how these indicators work, you can just go to their website chartprime.com and just go to the tutorial section. You will see the functioning of these indicators. Okay, my dear friends, as we are traders, we believe in probability. So I won't say that these indicators are 100% accurate, but with proper risk management, you can definitely make some money. Let me show you. This is the 50-minute chart of gold. You can see the signals generated by Chart Prime. Okay, see possible reversal down. See, it means that we need to take a sell position here. Possible reversal up means we need to go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means we need to go for a sell position. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect 40-50 pips on daily basis with the help of the software. But yes, the tool also generates false signals sometimes, because 100% accuracy is not possible, as we all know. But yes, the accuracy is certainly very good. Along with the buy and sell signals, you can also see that they have an oscillator where they also provide the overbought, oversold, divergences and many other things. Just watch the tutorial, you will know all the things. You can just go with the 1 month subscription and just try out the product yourself. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. And my dear friends, if you use the link in the description below, you'll also get 30% discount. You may also scan the QR code available on the screen for faster registration. Check them out.